Tempting, mouth-watering, isn't it? Of course it is. We all love to eat the food that satisfies our taste buds and make us go yum. Who would want to eat boiled and tasteless food when we have cuisines from all over the world available? Be it Japanese sushi or Spanish pasta, Italian pizza, or even our own chaats and pav bhajis are so much tastier than roti sabzi. True, and I'm sure the youth would agree. But on a serious note, do we really think about how healthy the food that we eat is? Who has got time to think about it? Is what the answer would come. Our lifestyle has become such. Our time is so scarce and so much of work to fit in that small time frame. Deadlines at work, college assignments, meeting our spouse, remembering our friends' birthdays, going out to booze, etc. And here's when fast food comes to our rescue. Our routine is too tight to fit in health and give some part of our precious time which can be used elsewhere. The young generation is apparently worst affected by the westernization. The food culture has changed, and people like to go eating out on a normal basis, which disturbs the normal dietary pattern. But if this continues, the children of this youth will also be directed towards the very faulty eating habits, which will prevent the next generation from healthy lifestyles. We took some experts' opinion on this.
Yes, I'm having a lot of youngsters in my gym who are coming for fitness, not exactly for fitness. Especially I'm having ladies like who are looking out for toning, fat loss करना है. Basically they come for weight loss. So what I advise them, मैम आपका goal जो है fat loss या weight loss मत रखो. Your goal should be fitness. अगर आप fit रहेंगे तो आप healthy रहेंगे, long term तक आप performance दे सकते हैं, challenge दे सकते हैं. Apart from this, अगर मैं assume करूँ आपको 6 months में fat loss करना है, मैं तो आपको tone कर दूँगा. राइट एक्सरसाइज राइट टाइम आप फॉलो करेंगे आप टोन हो जाएंगे, बट आपको मेंटेन कैसे रखना है. तो व्हाट वी एडवाइज इज आपको लॉन्ग टर्म तक फिटनेस अचीव करना है. अगर आप लॉन्ग टर्म तक फिटनेस की एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, फिटनेस रूटीन फॉलो करते हैं, तो आप हेल्दी भी रहेंगे. जो चैलेंजेस आपकी नॉर्मल लाइफ में वो भी एक्सेप्ट कर सकते हैं, वो भी फेस कर सकते हैं.
Unfortunately, the situation in India is very grim. Almost 68% of working women in India are facing these lifestyle diseases like obesity, diabetes, depression, hypertension. According to another survey, 90% of young girls in India are anemic. That means 90% of Indian girls are short of iron in their blood. And 8 out of 10 young girls are suffering from polycystic ovarian syndrome, which is PCOS. Generally, this happens due to bad food habits and malnutrition.
Yes, I am aware about the health problems that the young people are facing all over the world, especially in India because of westernization. For example, अगर मैं hungry तो what I will do, I will just order a pizza from Domino's, जो मुझे within 20 minutes तक deliver हो जाता है. But मुझे नहीं पता उसके consequences क्या है, मेरे health पे कैसे effect करेगा. But what I will do, I will eat for taste, not for health basically. एक और example है मेरे पास, वो है soft drinks. People prefer Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Thumbs Up. But मैं हमेशा बोलूँगा advice करता हूँ, instead of opting for this, go for Mosami juice. But मैं suddenly जैसे बोलूँगा Mosami juice पियो, बोलेंगे Mosami juice कुछ बोलो कोई strange sound करता है. But we always advise go for right food. And as of we inform them, we aware them कि जो भी आप pizza, burger, junk food खाते हैं उसका health पे effect कैसे करता है. And we advise them, वो लोग हम चार्ट बना के देते हैं exactly what your body demands, what is the healthy food, उसका आपको कैसे effect करेगा, क्योंकि हमको ये भी पता नहीं होता है कि junk food आपको बाद में जाके कैसे disadvantage देगा. Basically हम लोगों ने अवेयरनेस that's it.
according to a survey conducted by WHO and World Economic Forum, approximately $236 billion is the amount India is going to lose in next 3 years due to these lifestyle diseases and bad food habits.
Having said this all, we cannot rule out the possibility and scope for change. The only thing needed is the attitude and the willingness to bring the little changes in their daily routine. We are not saying that they should indulge into heavy and rigorous bodybuilding, but some inclusion of physical activities. Allotting some time to fitness can prove to be very beneficial. Those who can may join gyms. Otherwise, simple activities like walking are also effective way towards fitness. Small steps towards a healthy lifestyle can bring about substantial changes which are the need of the hour. Some of them seem to have already started, and we can see that there are still the rays of hope shining.